Well, some of us are just getting started and others are a little bit further along with their Christmas shopping, but not everyone is fortunate enough to afford to put gifts under their tree, and that's why we're here to help. Let's go back over to our Joplin phone banks and our own Jalen Banks. Jalen?
All right, guys, our lines are still open and they're being manned by the awesome group from Miss Daisy's Home and Decor. And we'd like to give a special shout out to some of our viewers that have donated. We have a Billy from Webb City who donated a whopping $150 to Toy Box. And we have Jaquetta from Labette who donated $25. Again, thank you guys for donating. And please, for those of you at home, keep on hitting the lines. These funds go directly to kids in the 4 states, and in particular, the funds go directly to the county that you donated in. And whether it's $10, $20, maybe even $50, it's all appreciated, and it's going to help out those in need. And if you're wondering what happens next after you donate, we go shopping for you, so you don't have to do any of the legwork. Earlier this month, our friends at Equity Bank joined us on a shopping spree at the Pittsburgh Walmart. They helped pick out our gifts for kids of all ages. And from the looks of it, they had a little fun with their shopping.
Because we employees enjoy it so much that we get to help so many different families involved in on it. And we just love being in our community. And that's just a little spot that we can help out.
Okay, we can do that for you. What is a good phone number for you?
Equity Bank will be manning the phones next Tuesday for our Toy Box Tuesday telethon. And again, here are the particulars. The number to call is 1-888-620-4TOY or 1-888-620-4869. And once again, a special thank you to all of you who have given each year and even this year. And a big thanks to the Miss Daisies for manning the phones today for Toy Box Tuesday.
All right, thank you, Jalen, and thank you. Remember, you can call in anytime during this newscast as well as the KOAM News at 5 and 6. Call in those pledges now.